small, the sea so wide, no one to steer, no hand to guide. Waves roll high, the night stretched long, every heartbeat a lonely song. Quiet warmth slipped through the night, one soft lantern, steady light. It held the boat, it eased the sway of fear that shadowed every day. Love the anchor, the boat drifts free, filling slow with what it needs. Little lights begin to gleam, turning the night into a dream. Warmth came near, one by one, hearts like lanterns gently spun. The boat grew full, a rising tide, each presence weaving by its side. A smaller craft stays close apart, eyes still cautious, guarded heart, slowly letting others near, inviting love to hold the fear. Love the anchor, the boat drifts free, filling slow with what it needs. Little lights begin to gleam, turning the night into a dream. Storms still rise and shadows drift. Love holds steady, soft and deep. The boats rock gently side by side, through waves they calmly sway and glide. Love the anchor, the boat drifts free, filling slow with what it needs. Little lights begin to gleam,